Welcome to my channel and Assalamu alaikum. If you are new on my channel, do like my video and subscribe my channel. So let's start our today's topic. Today we will talk about World Environment Day. Starting with an introduction. So in order to raise awareness about protecting the environment, every year on June 5th is celebrated as World Environment Day, as has been labeled by United Nations. The day also empowers one to be more responsible towards their environment. It started in 1972 on the first day of Stockholm Conference on the Human Environment, led to the creation of United Nations Environment Programme (UNEP) in December 1972, resulting from discussion on the integration of human interaction and the environment. 2 years later, in 1974, First World Environment Day was held with the theme Only One Earth. Since 1974, the day has provided a global platform for like-minded people to reach out to each other. In 1970s, the need for environmental governance at a global level wasn't universally accepted, specifically in developing nations. Canadian diplomat Maurice Strong, first director of United Nations Environmental Programme, convinced many of developing nations, and after a stiff struggle, United Nations Environment Programme formed in Stockholm Conference. Currently, Executive Director is Inger Andersen from Denmark. She is working on following objectives. First objective is integration of environmental sustainability in development at regional and sub-regional and national levels. Second is the embedding environment in all levels of decision making and actions. After this, conceptualizing cities and communities, economic and political life as a subset of environment. I think that's the reason that many countries across the globe are emphasizing on environmental policies for future and started working on it. The last objective of United Nations Environmental Programme is emphasizing the connection of people to ecosystem in which they live. This year, the theme for World Environment Day 2020 is Celebrate Biodiversity. With 1 million species facing extinction, there has never been a more important time to focus on biodiversity. While Colombia is the host country for event due to rich biological resources present at Amazon, the biggest rainforest of world. The word biodiversity was used by Lovejoy in 1980s to describe the number of species. Basically, biodiversity is variety of different forms of life on Earth, including the different plants, animals, microorganisms, the genes they contain, and the ecosystem level they form. There is also a term ecosystem diversity, which is complex to define. This actually is a kind of biodiversity which deals with variation in an ecosystem found in a region, or variation in ecosystem over whole planet. It is important to preserve biodiversity. Some of existing measures of biodiversity conservation include developing botanical gardens where biological studies can take place as well as places can be used as public amusement which refresh minds of people. Preserving national parks and developing new ones in order to maintain a wildlife for livings and humans can also enjoy the nature there. Reforestation can also help as it can nourish our atmosphere and help to reduce effect of pollution. Zoological gardens, commonly known as zoo, where most of us really enjoy to observe animals. These gardens also help to study zoology, or you can say animals. Biosphere reserves can be preserved, would help in the conservation of biodiversity. Social forestry to minimize the stress on exploitation of forest resources. The problems that have grown in recent era are directly or indirectly linked with humans, like climate change, water shortage. Some of analysts have an opinion that there could be wars due to reducing reserves of water. With a change in climate, longer winters are observed. Another problem which is drastically increasing is deforestation, which is either by direct influence of humans or indirectly due to global warming, causing burning of forests. Industries are growing every year. We are continuously increasing our carbon footprint just to get more money, which will be later spent on just to get a healthy life on Earth. So we must think about environmental destructions coming with our immoral behaviors and starting looking for a better Earth to live in. Not just for us, but for them who will live here when we'll not be part of this world. While resolving the environmental problems, it's not just the government responsibility, but every individual should work on it. Not just on 5th of June of every year, but throughout the year. We must turn off taps when water is dropped off during hand wash or showers. Instead of using items which are single use, we should use reusable and biodegradable items, which can dispose of far easily than conventional plastics. Reduction in use of plastic can also reduce the use of petroleums. Every individual should grow trees whenever and wherever possible. At the end, thank you very much. I hope you like it.